welcome to one of the most beautiful apartments that we've seen in quite some time. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment that's located at the Midtown community, located in District 7, Phu My Hung. Now, this is a beautifully decorated apartment, very lovely light fixtures, very modern, and I would say ultra luxury styling. Look at wow. Look at that. That is a beautiful marble piece that they have fixed. They have the Morocco air vent that's above. We have a 4-burner stove here with a baking oven. Now, in Ho Chi Minh City, having a built-in baking oven is quite rare. So this is a very delightful treat there. I'll show you the laundry area just a little bit later. We do have a guest that is leaving, so excuse a little bit of the mess, but the apartment will be deep clean. We do have built-in cabinets here along the wall. This works great as a shoe cabinet, which is a great size, great style, some artwork there. Perfect little wine cabinet here. I mean, the built-ins here are exquisite, just to say the least. Another built-ins there. Large sofa that can seat about 4 people, to be honest. These centerpieces are really nice as far as the center table with an area rug there as well, giving some warmth to the space. Very large TV, and you have your ottoman as well. And the balcony, already decked out. You do have a sliding screen so that you can keep your window open and while keeping the bugs out. Quite spacious balcony. Again, you do have a seating area here set up already with a beautiful planter. This is really nice. Go all the way up, like nice little vine that will be able to crawl up and continue to grow. Has a nice facing, get a lot of sunlight for. So if you're a gardener, this is a great spot to have some tropical trees. You do see how the balcony also has a nice flooring built in with this drain. So once it rains, the rain falls down here. These are exquisite features that you do not see very often in a lot of apartments. So I do want to point out some of those details. We do have the nice backdrop here, recessed lights. Look at that inlaid light as well. I mean, these are, again, quite exquisite. In the video, you'll see some blinking, but it's not like that. That's just because of the video. I'll show you the first bedroom here. We do have the built-in closets, very nice size. If you are sharing, it's a decent sized room, or for a child's room. We do have the area rug again, adding some warmth. Very large TV in this room as well. And look at the detail on the wall with the wallpapering. And you have some of this nice inlaid materials there. We do have lovely curtains here that do fold down. And this window is from floor to ceiling. You can open this window up here if you need to get some fresh air, right? We have some built-in cabinetry here as well to add some more space. It gets a lot of natural light. You have a nice side desk here for working, and this is a great spot to have a nice little laptop and a beautiful view, side view. You're a little bit obstructed, but you do have a little river view there, making it a really peaceful place for working. Another side table there, and again the recessed lights with the nice light fixture. Now to take a look at the fixtures here, these are beautiful electronic lighting system, very modern and up to date. This is the full bath. All right, very lovely, great walk-in shower, very spacious with the sliding drain that drains down to this area. So it's a very great shower, really nice built-in. You do have a window there to let some air, and we have a modern light here. So this is a light up mirror. Again, one of the features that you do not see very often in a lot of luxury apartments here. We do have a nice plug so you can set up your air dryer. Very nice features here, okay? So we do have one drawer here, giving some more cabinet space. Nice wallpapering here on the wall. Great texture that gives a kind of a stone feel. Oh my gosh, it just is a really lovely apartment. Solid wood doors. As you walk into the primary bedroom, you do have the wood floor and another area rug. Again, very nicely laid out and decorated room here. I am thrown away. You do have a pocket window here. This one you don't see very often, so you can get some fresh air as well through there. There's another TV that is set up on this floating TV stand here, with also a nice, which you can make as a seating area. It could be add more tropical plants. Kind of the possibilities are endless there. Nice makeup table here on the side with a makeup desk, or of course it could be another work desk. Very, very lovely. Again, the recessed lights with the beautiful inlay there. It's just a really, really lovely apartment. This has a sliding glass door for your clothes closet with the automatic light, LED lights that turn on when you open up the door, which is really, really nice. These open up as well. Underneath, you get additional storage, right? And then on this side, it has some more shelving for added storage. You have a side table, great, of course, for charging your phone at night. You have some more cabinet space here. So you do have more drawer space here that you can add some more things, which we'll need to tweak that a bit. Great bed, wonderful, wonderful, outlaid with this cloth. Now you will have a brand new bed set. This is a little bit, I'd say, old style, so we will update it with a brand new bed set. This is your primary bath, which is great. Again, you have the light smart mirror here as well that you can light. We do have the side in here, and both of the bathrooms have this very long shower here, right? Enclosed walk-in shower with the rainfall shower head, and you have the dual handheld to use for a shower. Again, you have the side window with this vent that can close if you want to keep open, keep the bugs out. And with the sliding drain, with the other bathroom, as we saw, didn't have the cover. We will make sure that other bathroom has the cover as well to keep it a very nice, exquisite look there. You do have the under cabinet drawer here again as well. Very nice floating vanity, modern look, great materials. Overall, this is a beautiful apartment, fully featured, fully furnished, and just absolutely exquisite. I'll give another walkthrough through the rest of the home again. We do have the door lock as well with a fingerprint. So of course you can use your fingerprint, keypad, or key card to open up the door. And I just want to have a look if this refrigerator is a decent size. It may be too small for a family. We can request for having a larger fridge there. There's a microwave as well there. And let's take a look at the laundry area here, as promised. So we do have the Samsung digital inverter, a washer machine, and so that is set up with the smart care, looks brand new. Here we have the central hot water. So this brings in hot water into your faucets, your kitchen sink, and your bathrooms. And these are just the area typically here in Vietnam, as everyone may know. Everyone hangs dries their clothes because out here the temperature is very hot, so you really don't need a dryer. And mixed in with these aircon units, this is the perfect drying machine anyway. All right, so that's a look at that wonderful, beautiful apartment. I think someone should come and take this now.